Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to add amazing pixel art in Minecraft. First, let's talk about planning. Before you place a single block, it is crucial to choose your design and figure out its exact dimensions. Think about the colors you will need and select the perfect block types to match your vision. Also, consider where in your world this masterpiece will live and how large it will be. A little planning goes a long way to ensure a smooth building process. Now that you have a solid plan, it is time to gather your materials. This step is super important. You will need a large quantity of various colored blocks to bring your design to life. I highly recommend using an online resource calculator. It can help you estimate the exact number of blocks you will need, saving you many trips back and forth. Do not forget your essential tools, like a sturdy pickaxe and a reliable shovel, to make building much easier. With your materials ready, it is time for the fun part. Building. Begin by laying down a clear outline or a base layer on the ground. This acts as your foundation. Then, carefully build your pixel art layer by layer, meticulously following your chosen design. For taller structures, consider using scaffolding or temporary blocks. These can be easily placed and removed, making vertical construction much simpler and helping you reach those higher points with ease. Congratulations, your pixel art is almost complete. Now, let us add some finishing touches and go over a few helpful tips. Take a moment to review your entire creation, checking for any misplaced or missing blocks. Adding lighting, such as glowstone or sea lanterns, can really make your art pop, especially during the night. Finally, remember to protect your hard work from potential griefing or environmental damage, ensuring your masterpiece lasts for a very long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.